Hello there, I'm Saul Baker the YouTuber, and today I'm gonna review this. This is my lock picking kit. I got it for Christmas of 2024. Inside, I only got 10 picks in there. See? 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 picks in there. And the other one is at my other grandma's house. The other trench wrench. I got 10 of these picks. This is a transparent lock. As you can see, see, you put the key in there, it'll align the pins, which will make it turn. And this is a mini lock, a luggage one. Watch. Watch. There you go. It's picked and it's unlocked. This is a snowman pick. I have like 3 hooks in there, like 1/2 diamond, and 4 rakes. 4 to 5 like rakes. And I have another 1/2 diamond, the slim one. So, if you like my lock picking kit that I got for Christmas, subscribe.